the stairs! Follow me, Mickey! Follow the stairs up off the floor. Bunny's gonna find a funhouse door. Adventures on the other side. Up those stairs, away up high.
Here and there, up the stairs, climbing up to everywhere. Bunny knows just where to go. Up the stairs to anywhere. Here and there, up the stairs, climbing up to everywhere. Bunny knows just where to go. Up the stairs to anywhere.
Hey, the new M&M's Dulce de Leche Caramel.
Nope.
Not us.
No way.
We'll see about that. Repeat, chocolate and dulce de leche have combined within me.
Chocolate and dulce de leche have combined within me.
I am rich and creamy.
I am rich and creamy.
It's okay, the doctor tastes me.
Okay, what?
Repeat, if the M&Ms talk, I cannot eat them.
The M&M's talk, I cannot eat them.
Close call.
New M&M's Dulce de Leche Caramel, an irresistible temptation.
Welcome back to Very Safe Park. Kosi has been a bad boy, so it's time to show him who's king again. Of course, all my sussy guests keep littering. That's why they get what they deserve. And as you might have noticed, Very Safe Park is 5 stars. That's right, folks. This park is perfect for the whole family. Look at this beautiful family of 3. They're so excited to go on this roller coaster. Oh, hello, Trace. Do you want to go on as well? That's perfectly fine. Better hurry up, Anna. Oh, you're too late. Let's go. Beautiful family of 3. They're so excited to go on this roller coaster. Oh, hello, Trace. Do you want to go on as well? That's perfectly fine. Better hurry up, Anna. Oh, you're too late. Let's go with them. This is of 3. They're so excited to go on this roller coaster. Oh, hello, Trace. Do you want to go on as well? That's perfectly fine. Better hurry up, Anna. Oh, you're too late. Let's go with them. This is so much fun. Oh boy, I can't wait to see what happens next. Here we go. And oh, Mallory! Her hair fell off, and her neck snapped in half. Wait, who else do we have dead? Oh, well, you know what? I can't find their bodies. Mallory's body's gonna sink to the bottom of the pond. Oh, they're running her over. That's freaking awesome. All right, Mallory, I'll see you later. I'm not sorry. Oh, and you two, have a very safe journey into the fire. Let's just get a position here. Oh, no. Oh, does that sting a little bit? Oh, well. Oh, and what are you two doing? Appears that they are going into the fun box. This ride is really I bid thee farewell. Just get into a better position here. Oh, that looks... Are you okay there, man? Stay still, I'm coming. Ah! Over here. That's pretty cool. Abdiel's dead. James. Oh, what's... Oh, I have room over... So you know what? I can... Let's just balance this. A stupid... Very safe park. Promise you that nothing bad's ever gonna happen to you on this one. Oh, what's that you say? More boosters? Okay. It's always fun. Take it up through the time machine. That's why we needed all that speed, so we could go into the time machine. Uh-oh, I think I banked too much. That's okay. Actually, no, what we set it to build the entry coaster. Take so we need to this kids. Oh yeah, I want to try this. Wait, journey position. Look one. Where's wait in the messed up? Oh, I hope you don't mind. All right, enjoy the ride. Oh, wow. Is everything ever dreamed of? Oh! Oh, I went flying. Oh! I'm just lagging everywhere in space. Oh! That was worth it. Oh, I can still see bodies flying. Look at them. They're so beautiful. All right, well, that was really fun. I'm way better than Kosi. I'm such an idiot.
Okay, in order to survive, we... Okay, in order to survive, we all know that one of us has to be eaten. The decision wasn't easy, but Rodney, we chose you.
What? Please, I got kids that are...
Don't care. Gotcha! Just kidding. Orange lost.
Wait, what? But I voted for red.
The food doesn't talk.
Is everybody buckled in?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Are you sure?
No! A perfect run.
Guys, all your colors are mixed up. Everybody back in.
I think I look good.
Thomas and Percy have gone off the rails.
Catch me if you can!
Racing and spinning around the house. An easy kid-controlled chase that goes all over the place. With the two biggest friends of all. Thomas and Percy. Race and Chase RC from Thomas and Friends.
it's the birthday girl.
Hey, let's invite Jacques.
Let's not invite Jock.
Whoa!
Sure, he struggles on conference calls, but he's such a dedicated employee.
And he can really pull off stripes.
You're right. Hey, Jacques.
Come join us. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah. Here it comes. Oh, there's a wind of some kind.
This might take a while.
Welcome back, Mousetronaut! Watch your step!
Wonderful. Come on, Donald. Time to go.
Hey, everybody, now look at this!
Buttons and pose. The book. We're all on the cover now.
Our adventure building the moon base!
How Mousetronauts kept trying and got the job done.
Hey, Cosmo's on there.
Well, he earned the badge for learning it's not nice to take things that don't belong to you.
And here's a little something to remember our trip. I guess it's time to head home.
Oh.
But don't worry, we'll be back soon. Right, honey? Right, and I can't wait. Us too.
See you
Next time. You know what that music means?
Stretch break!
Attention. Prepare for a strong earthquake.
It's time to move now, don't you think? We're gonna shake everything but the kitchen sink. Do the wash the window, do the shut the door, do the fun house hop, do the sweep the floor. Stretch break, clap your hands and stomp your feet. Stretch break, get up to the fun house beat. Stretch break, do some fun stretches, funny moves. Stretch break, and you can help us raise the roof. Stretch up high, stretch down low, pop back up on your tippy toes. You and me and Mickey Mouse, come on, let's rock the house. Stretch break, clap your hands and stomp your feet. Stretch break, get up to the fun house beat. Stretch break, do some funny stretches, funny moves. Stretch break, and you can help us raise the roof. Stretch break, it's time to climb the...
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. We have just experienced an earthquake. Please move away from the buildings to an open area and wait there until our cast members can instruct you further. Please be assured that the park has been designed with earthquake safety in mind. We'll provide you with more detailed information as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. Due to inclement weather, the Magic Kingdom is now closed. Again, due to inclement weather, the Magic Kingdom is now closed. Thank you.
my 40 just having a cup when a big Impala come driving up. Man looked at me and he started to grin. He wanted to run it cause he thought he could win. Say if you wanna run it, man, I know the place. It's dark and it's dirty where you lose no face. Headed on out to the airport road.
Every now and then we hear ourselves.
After much consideration, I've decided to halt updates for Theme Park Tycoon 2. It's been an incredible journey crafting virtual worlds for players, but it's time to focus on new creative endeavors. Thank you to all the fans and content creators for your support and enthusiasm throughout this adventure. Theme Park Tycoon 2 will be shut down in the coming days.
Before we say so long, let's sing the Wiggle Giggle song! Wiggle, giggle, wiggle! Wiggle, giggle, wiggle! Wiggle, giggle, giggle,